What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a new video. So check it out. This is a new model that just got added to the stash. This is the Carcraft Dream Rod built by Bill Cushenberry. It's a replica kit. Very excited to have in the collection here because this is a one-of-a-kind kit. It was never reproduced. They later came out with Tiger Shark, which pretty much was a modification to this one here. But then again, they never came back out with the Dream Rod. Let's go ahead and look at the box art though. It's beautiful. Vintage, 1964. Small little box. Very beautiful there. And if you're wondering where I got this, I got it on eBay. I mean, that's the only place where you can ever find this in the wild. So here we have all the parts laid out, examining everything, and it looks very clean. I could tell the person who owned this really took care of his models. But the body, something about this body just gravitates to me. I really like the design, something very different. And it looks like it'd be a very fun model to build. Here are the water slide decals that came with the kit. They still look like they're in great condition. And a nice collector's piece. Carcraft Magazine's Dream Rod Trophy Series instructions. There we see a side profile of the model. And right back here we see another profile of the model. The chrome is still shiny. Looking good. It's interesting how this still holds up after all these years. Carcraft Dream Rod, built by Bill Cushenberry, 1/25th scale. Just love the artwork, and I cannot wait to get more vintage kits. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Take care.